As a part of COVID, what could be immunity boosting foods? Any suggestions for immunity boosting food?
Tanya seeds, hot water, and jaggery. You need to just make more like a coffee out of it with a little bit of pepper as well. So that kind of helps with keeping your immune high. So
what is that one dish you made and had to literally throw away because it wasn't edible enough? Your biggest fail in the while cooking, in short.
So I ended up making some chicken, something that I could just make out of capsicum. And I think the amount of capsicum I added in the chicken dish that I made was more than the chicken itself. So it was good, but the salt was pretty on a higher level. So, and I ended up, which most of us didn't like, so we had to actually discard it.